Calcarea carbonica carbonate of lime. Commonly prescribed remedy for the children. Mentals of Calcarea Part 1. Slide, solid, slow, down to earth, plodding. Need for security means familiar. Lycopodium security through approval of others. Aurum, it is wealth and prestige. Pulsatilla simply needs to know that she is loved. Change is threatening to her. She may remain in the town of her birth for her whole life. Once security is assured, she will enjoy life without needing a great deal of excitement, wealth, or prestige. Uncomplicated person, simple, homely, natural, love for of the simple pleasure in life such as eating, drinking, going for walks, and making love. Calcarea are content as long as they have security, friendship, freedom to live a little luxuries from time to time, not by spending vast sum of money, but by savoring the simple luxuries. Food and clothes are two of her principal source of pleasures. Simple thinking, they enjoy the life with little effort. Sedentary life, overindulge in food, overweight, but is often quite content in her obesity. Natramur feels ugly and unlovable when they are overweight. Steady and reliable at her job, she is likely to be affable and uncomplaining as an employee. Prefer to work shorter hours and enjoy her leisure. Monday morning is not usually looked forward to with enthusiasm. Sulfur is often bored or lazy at work unless it also happens to be his passion. Calcarea's interests usually revolve around the satisfaction of the needs and desires of herself and her family. Calcarea is likely to be more interested in what he is going to have for dinner than other concerns like international politics. Often a collector, collect informations lycopodium and sulfur. They are also collector. But lyco and sulfur often study subject avidly and thoroughly. Calcarea is not pedantic about the facts she has learned, whereas lycopodium kali can be. Attentive listener and loyal friends, Calcarea often fascinated by royalty, as in Natramur. Sensitive type, if she feels insulted or rejected, she may behave childishly. Calcarea resembles Natramur, but latter is more wary of letting people in, more guarded, than more emotionally intense towards confidants. Calcarea differ from Pulsatilla and from some Natrum, Phosphorus, and Staphylos agria partners who completely lose themselves in their attempts to please the other. Calcarea parents perform their natural role and then step out of the way when the children are old enough to fend for them. Calcarea and Pulsatilla are mild and nurturing by nature, blonde and fleshy, but principal difference lies in Calcarea's earthiness, while Pulsatilla shows constant flux of emotion, sensitive and emotional, like Phosphorus natrum. Fear something will happen. Calcarea parents will worry about the children having an accident and will get agitated if they are a little late coming home. Calcarea child tends to be slow in developing, but unlikely Baraita. Baraita children are far more shy than Calcarea children. Calcarea is often more physical lethargy than mental apathy. Calcarea is relatively strong emotionally, and it takes a lot of misfortune to turn misery into real depression. They don't go into depression very easily. It takes very lot of time because they are internally very strong. They are don't go into depressions like natrum, and this it takes they go, but it may take some time. No ability to sustain prolonged mental effort, aversion to certain person. We will study Calcarea baby, placid, easy to care for except for their tendency to wake up in the night crying. Docile baby who enjoy other people but will sit quietly playing by themselves as long as mother is near. Fear of dark, fear of being alone. This is the mentals of Calcarea. We will study in parts, and in my next video I will discuss about the generals and particulars and their keynotes. Today only mentals. Thank you so much for watching my video.